Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your Shopify store. Meta tags are essential for improving your store's SEO and helping search engines understand your content better, which can lead to more visibility and traffic. To start, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly into your store's admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online shop. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Online Store. This section is where you'll control everything related to how your store looks and functions for your customers. You'll now see your current theme displayed prominently. Next to your active theme, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Edit Code. This opens up the backend code editor for your theme, giving you direct access to customize the underlying structure. Now be patient here because the editor might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of customizations or a complex theme. Just give it a few seconds to fully open up the code files. Once everything loads properly, you'll see a list of folders and files on the left side panel. In that left side panel, look for and click on Layout. This folder contains the core structural files of your theme. Under the Layout folder, you'll see a file called theme.liquid. Click on it to open this critical file, which controls the overall structure of every page on your store. When the theme.liquid file opens, scroll through the code until you locate the head tag, which looks like less than sign head greater than sign. This is where the important metadata for your site lives. The head section contains information that search engines and browsers use to understand and display your site correctly. Now comes the important part, adding your meta tags. You'll want to place your custom meta tags right after the opening head tag. If you have example meta tags prepared, simply copy them from wherever you've saved them, then paste them directly after the head tag in the code editor. These meta tags might include things like your site description, keywords, author information, or social media tags. Once you've pasted your meta tags and double-check that they're positioned correctly, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are stored and will now be active on your live store. And that's it. You've successfully added meta tags to your Shopify store, which will help improve your search engine optimization and how your store appears in search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.